A new way to deep clean, in a convenient, compact size. Introducing the O-Cedar H2prO Flat Mop System. Featuring 100% separation of clean and dirty water. Powerful microfiber picks up stubborn stains, as well as quick messes. Compact design is easy to carry and store. Easily fill clean water tank in the sink. Add up to 2 teaspoons of your favorite cleaner, if you like. Powerful water jets apply clean water to the pad. Wring and dry in the second chamber. Watch as the dirty water goes straight into the bottom bucket. Just one tank cleans up to 650 square feet. Every angle and position, even walls. For all floor types. Plus mop heads are washable and reusable. Just hang to dry. Discover how thorough floor cleaning can be.